morning. So it's time for word work, and I just wanted to give you a quick video to explain the directions of what I think would be fun to do. So I wrote out some of the glued sounds, ink, onk, and so these are just a couple of what I listed that you could use, and you're going to use those index cards that I sent home, and then on separate cards, letters C, B, BR, maybe DR, just a few examples of the list. So then I'm going to actually have you put them together and make a new word. And what I realized is if you don't put it close to the edge, the beginning sound, you have this big gap. But I made the word drink. Sorry, the sun's shining through again. Drink. So I'm going to write that on a list so that I can make 15, at least 15 different words so that I can then show Miss Doyle that I'm following directions. And I just made another word, brink. And that means I'm on the edge. I'm on the brink of going crazy. So what that means is just right on the edge. I could bonk my brother on the head. Remember, there's that space. We don't really write our words that way, but you'll write it correctly on the list of words you're making. Bonk, bronk. That's not a real word, so I'm not going to write it down. Instead of nonsense words, I want you to make up words that are real words where you could use them in your a normal sentence in your conversation. So I hope you have fun with this and a minimum of 15 words. I challenge you. Do you accept the challenge? All right, have fun today with the unplugged activity for word work.